Hi, this is Vinay Kumar, and let's discuss one more SQL question. So the question is this one. Hmm, so actually, he is giving this is an input, and he wants this is an expected output. That's it. Nothing is there. So based on my input, so this is my input. So this is the pictorial representation of this input table. So under this, see reporting to it's nothing but simply we can treating it as a manager id reports to. Okay, so what he want see every subsequent, see for example head manager is there, head of the managers. So under the head manager a group of managers will be there. So again group of managers have some working employees will be there, right? So when you consider head manager, all the under under the head manager and also under the manager employees also I'm getting simply. So even though if he is an head manager, he can uh, I want the total hierarchy from his level. Okay, so all the employees level hierarchies that I want here. So simply treating like as a see one employee id 1, for example the employee id 1 have these all of these employees under employee id 1. Okay, so let's see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 2 3 4 everything. And uh, and coming to employee id 2, only 2 and 4 5 8 9, only 2 4 5 8 9 are in under employee id 2. Okay, and coming to employee ID 3, only 3 and 6 7 including self including. Okay, and coming to employee ID 4 4 8 9. Okay, 4 8 9, and these are selves 5 6 7 8 9, these are self. Okay, so what I'm getting, so I'm observing based on this. I'm observations, and my observation is uh, I want all this one. Usually, when you are this organization or employee organization, so this is input and this is output, and it will be repeating multiple times. So, what you thought like it is in recursive city. That method of approach that we need to solve this one. So, this is the data. Employee. Let's run it. So okay, everything is good. So here I make a developing a recursive CTE. So as and now select from join. So let's what my observation is. Let's observe this one. For example, uh, everything is good, right? So I want to generate a recursive CTE. First of all, observe the data what I am how to reach my input to my output. How can I reach it? So let's observe this one. For example, make this one comment. So select star from employee where not where So let's comment it. Okay, where first of all, I want to join this, uh, neglect this one to one, neglect this one. So I want to make it as one. Under one, how many employees will be there? 2 and 3, right? So I want under one, 2 and 3, these are the employees, right? So that's why id equal to 1. Just observation based on only single one. Okay, you getting something. So based on this one you are getting something. So let's observe it. So here one is, uh, let's take it as an employee id, and 2 3 is an employee hierarchy. Let's take it here. So where mid take is an employee id, and the employee id take it is an employee hierarchy. Let's run it. So 1 2 1 3. Under this 2 and 3, under this 2 and 3, 4 5 6 7 is there. Okay, so wait, hold on. So I'm making this one here. Okay, okay, now good. Okay, you understand my point. uh, First, this is an anchor clause, means uh, it generates the data in only one time. So now this one is my recursive, correct? Okay, so this is my first recursion. So based on, see, this is my starting method of approach, way of approach. So treating, consider only one. So focusing on only employee id 1. So nothing is there. Focusing on only employee id 1. Okay. So here, what my output? Here my output is, okay. Here my output is 1 2 and 1 3, right? 1 2 1 3. Here my output. So let's observe here. So good. So this one is CT. Already I know that one. Basically this is a CT. We know that one. And also joining on this is a source, right? So employee. So take a and take a B. So now copy of this one. Now make a, okay. So here I am giving some asterisk here. So based on what the condition, this is my first one. So I'm I'm taking I'm taking this employee under this, under these employees. Uh, so I want, so we to consider I want to consider it as a manager reporting to. So under these two, how many employees, total employees, I won't get it. You understand my point, right? So maps with what? Maps with a employee hierarchy, maps with b dot. So b is nothing but this one. So here this employee hierarchy maps with uh, this reporting id. Reporting id means in employee table I make it as a manager id. Okay, you catch my point, right? So manager id. Let's observe. So what you want? Already it's done. Under this 2 and 3, I want those employees. So I want this one and this one. So this one is a dot uh, employee id, and this one is b dot employee id. Let's run this one. So this is employee id and this one is employee hierarchy, right? So employee hierarchy. Let's run this one. So getting good. Okay, this is what, this is my second level of iteration, right? This is what? This is my second level of iteration. 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I'm getting here? I'm getting here 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's it, all right. So now, okay, I want take it here. Control C, Control V. So from here also taking these columns. Let's observation purpose only, right? So that's why I'm taking only ID based on employee ID 1. I'm considering. So now what I'm getting? Now I want third iteration data I want. So okay, let's run this one. Let's run it. 1819. Okay, good, good. 1819, good. So I think this is working fine, correct? So select star from CTE. Let's run it. Good, 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 good. For one, it's okay. Good. For one, it is working. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For one, it is working. Okay. So actually till up to here, I'm basically focusing on EMID code 1. Just comment this one. That entire things are going to be good. Works very good. So okay. So okay. Mm, so make it as an I want to make it as an order by. So order by 1 comma 2. Let's run it. Okay. So you observe this one. Here you are observing something, right? So one employee hierarchies will be there, but coming to employee ID is nothing. So I want here I am using coalesce function where the employees are in employee IDs are null. Then I want take it as employee hierarchy value. Okay. So coalesce of employee hierarchy. Then I want employee ID in place of employee hierarchy, and employee hierarchy. This one is alias employee ID. Let's run this one. So for first 9, so 1 to 9, good. So coming to 2, coming to 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 8, 2, 9. Let's observe 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 8, 2, 9. Okay, good. And coming to 3, so 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 7. Okay. And coming to 4, 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 9. 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 9. 4, 4, 4, 8, 4, 9. Okay. Everything is good. So these are under these employees, no employees will be there. So I think this is good. Good. So just you can observe based on one thing only. So if you have any doubts, uh, this is method of approaches to solve the recursive CTE. You can focusing on mainly one particular employee ID. So not only this one, even the parent-child relationships also. See, if I am not getting any data at the first time of my recursive CTE, I am also analyzing like this way. This is very good method of approach to solve the sum. So okay guys, and I hope this is very good. So that's it all, and thank you. And if you have any doubts regarding SQL, this is my mail ID. So that's all guys, thank you.